Are you curious about how your competitors dominate LinkedIn with their ads? What if I told you there's a completely free and effective trick to uncover their strategy in 2025? Stay tuned, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let me randomly pick a page, which is there in my timeline. Here you go. Earlier, we used to have a tab called Ads if we navigate through their page, but now it has been disappeared. Okay, what should we do now? Relax. Let me tell you the trick. Navigate to the URL section and type Ad Library like this. Now I will pick a page, which is there in my other tab, Shopify. Let me take this name and put it in the search bar. You can also choose country where this company promoted their ads. For now, I'm just going ahead without selecting any. Finally, you got to see all the ads promoted by Shopify in various countries. Let me open one ad and show you how that looks like in the timeline. Imagine being one step ahead of your competitors on LinkedIn. Wouldn't that feel like a superpower? Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I'll share more growth hacks to elevate your game.